Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Plex on Android TV. All you need to do is go to your browser and then just type plex.com. Rather, plex.tv. Very important, plex.tv, and click on the launch. So you've searched and give it some time to load up. And when it does load up, you're going to find this process easy. You're greeted with this page. You could search with the search bar and look for exactly the program you want. You could toggle on to live TV at the same time. This is all on the Plex website. So just on the website you could access all of this. So Plex is amazing for streaming, and make sure you have good network before you stream. You may need to reload it if it has an error, but if your internet connection is stable, you have very little errors. So just load up the site and you have everything here. So on the live TV, on demand TV, discover your personal media, you could look at that as well. But on the website you could explore all those options. So if your internet connection is good, just hop over to plex.tv and enjoy all that free content. So that's how you do it. If you want something specific, you could search for it, and basically that's all. That's how you stream and watch on Plex. If you find that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.